Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing both clips into one project so you can work visually. This prevents drift later. Once done, make sure your sequence settings match the primary clip's frame rate and resolution, because mismatched settings cause timing errors. You should place each clip on its own track and label them clearly so you can mute or solo quickly. If audio is present, keep it enabled initially to aid syncing. If not, prepare visible markers or waveform proxies to guide alignment. You now align the clips frame by frame using whatever sync reference you have. If both clips contain audio, zoom into waveforms and match distinct peaks like claps. This is fast and accurate. Once aligned, enable ripple or slip tools to trim extra lead-in. If there's no audio, create a visible marker at a distinct motion or add a synthetic beep and line up visually. Make sure to toggle snapping when you need to fine-tune by single frames for millisecond precision. You finish by verifying the sync across the full clip length so you catch any gradual drift. Once done, play the entire sequence at normal speed and watch for lip or action mismatch. If you see drift, slightly adjust clip speed or re-encode to consistent frame rates. Make a short test export and open it in a different player to ensure consistency outside the editor. If problems persist, check codecs, variable frame rate sources, or resync using timecode. Those are the common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.